El Rio tornado that I'm recording right now. There goes the big car. There goes it. Oh, there, the Smiths. The Smiths. Oh God. The Twist X. The green car. The green car is Twist X, bro. Twist X. Don't say me your name, bro. Twist X. Oh, he's at the tornado. There goes the pink car, bro. I see a car in the air right now. Don't get me frustrated right now. Oh, God. Oh, my God, guys. The Smiths! The Smiths, bro. Not the Smiths. The Smiths was the best. The Smiths was always the best. I feel bad. I can see the breeze, bro. There goes the Smiths. As I see the Smiths, I see dirty flying houses right now. Don't get me right for this. I see dirty flying houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Like I see dirty like tornadoes right now, bro. There we goes, bro. There we goes. There we goes. There we goes. Tornadoes hitting, bro. Tornadoes hitting. The tornado is literally hitting. Bro, I feel sorry. I feel sorry, bro. Look how much debris that is. This one. There's like cars everywhere. Oh gosh, there goes the Smiths. Yo. This was the last moments before I saw the Smiths, bro. This was, oh gosh. Oh my God, the Smiths. Not the Smiths, bro. Oh gosh. The Smiths are in the tornado. When the tornado ends, we're going to see the Smiths. Oh gosh. The Smiths get out the tornado, we're going to see it. Oh gosh, I see so much house clubs. I see so much house clubs. Bro, that is the El Rio tornado, bro. Oh God, bro. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God, bro. Tornado stars over the Smiths. Tornado smalls. Tornado stars over the Smiths. Tornado stars over the Smiths. Oh God. The tornado is on the Smiths. Oh my God. Smiths is getting obliterated. Oh God. I can't see the Smiths anymore. Guys, like and subscribe if you don't see the Smiths. I know you did not. I know you did not like. Like and subscribe. I can hear stuff breaking now. I can hear stuff breaking. I don't hear it anymore. I'll keep following it. There's no more houses. Got stalled by the tornado, bro. I don't see it no more. Look, there's still remaining houses. Not this way. This is El Rio Town right I can see a tree flying, yeah. Oh my god, Twisted. Oh my god, where's Twisted? I don't see him. He's all the way down there, bro. He's all the way down there. Yup. Yup, bro. Yeah, I don't see a garden house anymore. We never saw a garden house. R.I.P. bro. R.I.P. to the garden house. R.I.P. to the garden house, bro. R.I.P. to the garden house. It's this. R.I.P. bro. R.I.P. Smith, bro. Smith, rest in peace. Rest in peace. Guys, everybody comment. Rest in peace, Smith. God, no, bro. It's on Smith. When the tornado ends, we are gonna see. We are gonna see the Smiths. And like, what's second right here? Oh my god. 1 millisecond, bro. 1 millisecond. Yo, there's so much of me. I can see the bird for the world, bro. Smith. Wait, stuff in the garden house are still standing. This is the garden house if you guys don't know. I'm not crazy, guys. Oh gosh! I see the Smiths! R.I.P. Smiths, bro. El Reno tornado, bro. Biggest tornado in history. Oh god. Something, bro. I can't believe this. All I see is a yellow car and nothing else, bro. Bro, there's a car. There's a car in the garden house. There's a little fat car in the garden house. Yo! Smith is still here! Smith! It's still here, bro. Smith is still here. Smith is still here, bro. No, I'm not right. Smith is nowhere to be found, bro. I'm gonna see you with the tornado. So, guys, this is the Smith. It's now swimming. Yeah, it's just rubber. Don't get me wrong, bro. So, yeah, that's it, guys.